आइए जाइए। ओ
टिंकू का कल का इवेंट दिलाने के लिए
मैम हर एक प्लीज़ उनको मैंने को लेना, आप ही आ रहे हैं। आइए कहाँ आइए।
Dear exhibitors and all the esteemed visitors,
अरे
please join us
साढ़े
for the
धीरे धीरे अभी
inaugural
थे
function starting now at Form 1 registration area. Thank you.
बार बार बोलिए यदि हो गया ना।
आवाज जाओ मत करो।
दबे रहो ना थोड़ा।
चप्पल आने में दो
डालिए ना। अरे पूरा भी उसमें आ रहा है कैमरे में, चप्पल डालिए।
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a great journey. I would like to first of all welcome our today's chief guest, Ms. Roop Rashi, Textile Commissioner of India. Thank you, ma'am, for sparing your time for being with us today. I would also like to welcome our guest of honor, Mr. Atul Shah. He is the spokesperson for BJP in Maharashtra. We have with us the Consulate General of Argentina. Please, sir. Mr. Kerr, Senator, and Mrs. Kerr, Ms. Maria Kerr, she is Deputy Consul General. So, Mr. Sridhar, Executive Director of Handloom Export Promotion Council. We have former Chairman of Expressel, Mr. Amit Ruparelia with us. And we have a lot of, so we feel greatly supported by the industry, by the last show we already had. In fact, in this, a good success post-COVID, and this one we have more than 700 exhibitors, brands, manufacturers from 32 countries who are going to show, who are showing their products across 4 halls, and we already have about 40,000 pre-registrations from buyers, because the type of innovation in materials, in applications, in design. So we started those awards with the idea to encourage innovation in Indian home products, and I think the industry has picked up really, really well, showing the potential of India. So we are heavily by seeing all the product which is displayed over here, and this is helping us not only in seeing the product, but it is helping us in even making our sites more beautiful, more interesting, and this is giving us immense support. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming here. Thank you. Madam Roop Rashi. I would also like to welcome Mr. Atul Shah. Mr. Well, Consulate.
अरे चाचा
And Mr. Ketan Sheikh. Sir, as far as we are concerned,
मैम
Mr. Architect Boris. Architect Chandrasekhar.
भाई
And we have Mr. Kishan Singh.
अंदर बहुत पीछे हो गया, उधर खड़े हो ना।
Good morning, everyone. Ms. Dhruv Rajji, the Textile Commissioner, Mr. Sridhar, the Handloom Commissioner, the Jute Commissioner. So we work on all textile here, the handloom and the jute and all the architecture. And moreover, the Consul General of Argentina. We are celebrating 75 years relation with you, India, Argentina. Now I just want to congratulate Mr. Rungta and his team. I'm coming here for the third or fourth time. The exhibition which we see in foreign countries is very much in Mumbai. The professionalism and Bhabiji is always with Mr. Rungta, taking care of all the small little things. Now one thing I'm so happy, when our Prime Minister says, मेरा देश आगे चल रहा है, आगे बढ़ गया है, it has gone beyond that. और इसलिए आज यहाँ पर आकर समय नहीं है कोई जो बाहर भी आते हैं इंडिया से, पहले तो बड़े बड़े सिटी से आते थे, मुंबई, पूना, नासिक, दिल्ली, कलकत्ता, अब छोटे छोटे शहरों से आते हैं। ये सैचुरेशन और करा दिया आपने, दैट इज क्योंकि वो मार्क ट्वेन की कविता आज पहुंची नहीं होती, उनको सब जल्दी चाहिए, सब प्रोडक्ट चाहिए। तो व्हाट इज दिस लाइफ फुल ऑफ केयर, वी हैव नो टाइम टू स्टैंड एंड स्टेयर, नो टाइम टू स्टैंड बीनीथ द ट्री, ओ माय गॉड आई शैल नेवर बी फ्री। तो ये अर्बन बायर्स ने दिखा दिया है कि उनको बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट दो। एंड आई एम लुकिंग एट द स्टॉल हियर, आई विश this exhibition a grand success, and for years to come you go on doing and अपना देश आगे बढ़ाते रहो। रुंगटा जी धन्यवाद, आप सब किसी का नाम रह गया और जो भी यहाँ पर आए मेरा सबको नमस्कार, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Neetaji. Thank you, the whole team of HAH, respected Shaji, Consul General of Argentina, my colleagues from Ministry of Textiles, the whole of industry, esteemed architects, artists who are with us, the whole of industry. It's a matter of definitely pleasure as well as privilege. I was here last year with Honorable my Secretary Rachna Shah ma'am, and I think the bond rose since then for me. And then when Rungta ji asked me that I should be here, I just thought that there is no way I cannot be here, and I feel that the decision is definitely, I'm happy about the decision, and I second whatever Atul Shah ji ने बोला कि हमारा देश आगे बढ़ रहा है, ये हमारी चीज़ों में परिलक्षित हो रहा है। अगर 600 cities, 600 out of our around 770 districts, वहाँ से टेक्सटाइल्स का जो हम लोग का फोकस है और सबसे बड़ा योगदान है कि हम लोग अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स तो बनाते हैं देश विदेश के लिए, हम सबसे ज़्यादा रोज़गार अर्जित करते हैं अपने देश के लोगों के लिए। कम से कम 5.4 करोड़ रोज़गार डायरेक्टली जनरेट होता है और उतना ही इनडायरेक्टली जनरेट होता है। तो इस सब में आप सभी का कितना योगदान है, सब फाइबर्स का योगदान है, हैंडलूम्स का योगदान है, हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स का योगदान है, जूट है, कॉटन है, मैन मेड फाइबर है, और फाइनली उसकी जो सप्लाई चेन हम लोग अगर अच्छी बना सकें अपने देश के लिए, एज वेल एज डिमांड साइड पे, आई रियली एम हैप्पी अबाउट द अमेजिंग डिज़ाइनर्स हु वी हैव ऑन द राइट साइड, बिकॉज दे विल क्रिएट द राइट काइंड ऑफ डिमांड एंड राइट काइंड ऑफ वैल्यू फॉर ऑल फाइबर्स, whether it is for the farmer from the farm and for others. In case of cotton, we have also launched our own brand Kasturi with some products in the International Cotton Advisory Committee Convention last year, and I expect that our industry is going to grow with leaps and bounds. हमारे देश आगे बढ़ रहा है और आगे बढ़ता जाएगा। और personally I am thankful to Consul General of Argentina, my Deputy Consul General Maria. She is a face-facing person. She joined with us in the International Cotton Convention, and she has been fostering our bond as a government-to-government bond and working. I mean to say, she's taking half the burden, as we say, delegation of Consul General, and she has been doing a great work. I see a lot of women here. Being a woman, I do believe in women-led development, and I'm happy that HGH conforms to that. With these few words, I once again wish all the success to all.
चलिए नहीं क्या बीच में खड़ा होगा
अरे सामने तो थोड़ा ऊंचा कहाँ है? अरे सामने
सर, यहाँ फोटो हो रही है यहाँ पे
सामने।
सर, यहाँ पे हेलो। अरे सर, इधर इधर देखो सर। थैंक यू।
बोलो थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। तो यहाँ देखिए, चलिए मैदान क्लियर। Excuse me.
So, ma'am, we request you to unveil for the 15th edition.
मैडम, गार्डन नहीं है, अंग्रेज थे इधर। थोड़ा ऊपर उठाइए मैडम, थोड़ा ऊपर। कमिश्नर जी, कमिश्नर
नहीं बस
या
We also request our guests, led by Textile Commissioner, to unveil the trend book. Can we have copy of the trend book, please? Science materials
कैमरे
that
में आ रहा
are
है
going to
आपका
be
हाथ।
are expected to be popular in the next 1 year.
सर, माइक छोड़ दिए, आप भी ले लिए वो। नहीं, उनको दे दो ना, उन्हें बोल दो। एक मिनट पहले दे दो यार, वो थोड़ा वो।
Please take a look at the Trends Pavilion also. You will get a lot of ideas for making many more innovative products. And the designers in particular, I'm sure you give us inspiration, but this is the place where you can also draw some inspiration.
चलिए, थैंक यू।
So,
One picture, please. Everybody look in the camera, please.
सेंटर लुक।
Yes, sir. Ma'am, please camera look.
आजा आजा। हाँ, आजा।
मैम सेंटर लुक।
या
फोटो ले लो पहले। मैम
काट दीजिए।
यस मैम, लुक दिस साइड। यस
यस,
यस, लुक हियर।
क्लैप प्लीज।
मैडम ने कहा जोड़ो, काटो नहीं। लेकिन अगली बार वो नॉट लगा।
या
प्लीज मैम, कम इनसाइड।
या कम इनसाइड, कम मैम, कमिश्नर कम।
या ग्रुप फोटो।
वन स्टेप। आइए।
या मैम, प्लीज स्लोली।
यस, आइए। छोटू, उड़ जा तू, लेट जा।
मैम
दिखे बहुत
फॉलो भाई। मैम वैभव यू फॉलो।
फॉलो कर रहा है
This digital printing is supported in our school. And that we actually introduced after coming in 2019. there was some challenges in reducing. The idea was that the digital would be doesn't affect.
Per capita income in 5 states of South India, 50% higher than 5 states of North.
Side is all, and this side will first go to HG.
अभी वाइड रखोगे चलिए
I'm openly biased to be seen in breaking the ceiling and going up. See, today's reading says about 15% of the board are in men and women in senior management, which is less than international. But we have increased. You know, in the pilot segment, India beats international average. India is 15% women pilots, while international average is 5%.
मैं तो मूव करूँगा
So what is happening here? Let me see.
This sort is fixed type is what we have got. So then we have separate halls for putting ore and dig outs. Separate hall for washing, separate hall for furniture.
And you are here for 4 days.
Yes. And this is the
just because you don't have a certification doesn't mean
we are
doing the right thing. We get into certification and find it out. See, like I said, no longer 8.5% of world the textile waste is generated. We are 16% of world population. We are still doing less.
This product is based on our trade scheme. This is the carpet, handmade carpet. And based on our trade, they developed this.
And this has been based on HG India trends. They specially developed. Very innovative.
Very innovative. Can I touch and see?
Like a real balloon. Yeah.